Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 20. Two metals P and Q are heated through the same temperature difference. If the ratio of the linear expansivities of P to Q is 2:3 and the ratio of their length is 3:4 respectively, the ratio of the increase in length of P to Q is A 1:2, B 2:1, C 8:9, D 9:8. So this has to do with linear expansivity, and linear expansivity alpha is given as L2 minus L1 over L1 multiplied by temperature difference theta. Okay, so theta is usually equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. So this is the temperature difference which we have represented by theta. Now for this question, the difference in length, okay, is what we'll be looking for. So let's say let L2 minus L1 will be equal to L. So our alpha linear expansivity is equal to L over L1 theta. Now we are looking for, of course, the increase in length. Okay, we are looking for the ratio of increase in length. So let's make that subject of the formula, and if you do that, L is equal to alpha L1 theta. Okay, so now it is a ratio. What we are looking for is a ratio. So we would say LP, that is the increase in length of P which we are looking for, over LQ. So we'll be looking for ratio, so we'll do this like this, equal to the linear expansivity of P multiplied by L1 of P multiplied by theta over linear expansivity of Q multiplied by L1 of Q multiplied by theta. Now from the question, it says they are heated through the same temperature difference. So theta for both P and Q have the same value, so it means that they can cancel out. So that means LP over LQ is equal to alpha P L1P over alpha Q L1Q. Okay, so this means that LP over LQ is equal to, now the ratio of the linear expansivities alpha P and alpha Q is what we'll substitute. So starting from alpha P, okay, that is the linear expansivity of P, that is 2. So 2 multiplied by the initial length of P, which is 3, divided by the linear expansivity of Q, which is 3, multiplied by the initial length of Q, which is 4. So this is equal to 6 over 12, and that is equal to 1 over 2, or 1:2. So that is the ratio of their increase in length. 1:2 is option A. So A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.